So hello, good morning everyone. It's morning here in the Philippines. It's 5 o'clock, 5 a.m. here in the Philippines. You see the this is my surrounding around. Hmm. Uh, long time ago, I didn't have a video upload yun because it's typhoon here in the Philippines, so my mobile is no signal, and then this is mobile I borrow only, and then no internet because our Wi-Fi is broken because of typhoon. So until now is still not recover our Wi-Fi. Oh, red because of the, I don't know. You see the like this, no? So I'm here now in upstairs. We sleep in Bahay Kubo. Inday inside, and her sister is still sleeping. And then I'm here because I have to feed now the piggy. So I'm going down, no? I'm going down. I saw you the pig. So I'm very sad now because my mobile no signal, and our country here no signal, but the other barangay is there is a signal, but here no signal. So I saw you, and there is the pig outside because this one other day this pig is not eating, but now it's okay. Already give a serious medicine. Okay, already. See the hibin. 5 a.m. na in the Philippines. Maybe? Yeah. Oh, 5 a.m. No, cute. See the clock. You see the clock. Oh, it's yes, 5:24 a.m. in the Philippines. No. See the pig. It's already big already. No. So pig 62 piglet. But I'm not mine, huh? I just take care of this one. This is honored. This is our pastor. This I just I take care of this one. Not mine. See there. It's big already. Almost harvest this one. This coming December. Middle of December, no? Second week of December. This harvest already. Harvesting this one. Almost harvested. Other one. There's one. Here, and then there is one piece there. One piece. And then okay, that's it. I I feed this one now. So bye bye. Thank you for watching.